Want to transfer your MetaQuest 3 screen recordings and screenshots to your Mac? Here's how you connect your Quest to any Mac with a USB for file transfer. If you just connect your Quest 3 to your Mac using a USB cable, you can see nothing happens and it doesn't pop up in File Explorer. So what you need to do is install the official Android file transfer app for Mac. Just open your browser, search Android file transfer, and click on the website from android.p2hp.com. Ignore all these pop-ups and scroll down to this part, then click on Download Now. If it asks you to allow download, obviously you'll need to select Allow. Then after the installation file is downloaded, you can open it right from here. Then as usual, drag and drop it into your applications folder, enter your username and password if required, then the installation will finish. So you can close all these windows, then open up the Android file transfer from Launchpad. You'll need to click Open from the pop-up. Click on Get Started, and in case it says no Android device found, it means you haven't connected your Quest yet. So connect it to your Mac using a USB cable, and after that reopen the app if needed. Now you should see another pop-up that says Allow accessory to connect, so we'll click on Allow, and there you have it. Now you can see your Quest 3's internal storage. Now to find all your gameplay recordings and screenshots, you'll need to open the Oculus folder, and here you'll have both your screenshots and video shots. Note that you won't be able to open these files from here before you copy them to your Mac storage. So just copy all of these files, and just like that you have successfully transferred all the media files from your Quest. That's all. Hope this helped. Enjoy.